the shady bench. Open this shit up. Open this shit up. I know what's gonna happen. Open this shit up right now. You have one fucking chance to oh, he's fucking dead, bro. I can't actually remember. Oh, this is great. I can't even remember what you're supposed to do here. Are you just supposed to jump through it? Oh, you're... Is this... Wow. That's what you're supposed to do. There's just a hole in the wall. Maybe, I probably died in that electricity. I'll put a clip in there. I'll feature my deaths. I mean, you can, how can you not feature the deaths? Fucking schlipple. Schlipple. What? Yeah. This place is cool. Gives you a lot of cool stuff, but it's really out of the way. Maybe I'll speed up this bit.
Going through the vents. Ventral, dorsal.
I got anatomy on the brain. It's my big anatomy test is tomorrow. My first one. And I should really be studying instead of playing this, but I was going to procrastinate anyway. Oh, there you are. You saw my face. I looked in the whites of your eyes. Fucking dumbass. Can I open this up? Can I take this? Nope, doesn't look like I can. This is a nice spot you've been held out in. What, are you gonna come with? Okay, go fuck yourself, buddy. Also, give me some of these snacks. What? You can't break the vending machine? Not even with a gun? But the window, that's breakable. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this music? Oh my god. How could you do that to my man, my boy? No parking? No smoking, I see. No parking, bro. Now this is, this room's electrifying. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is the vent that was like that other one we missed. Why? What's the reason for this room? Is that the reason for this room? That's Schrodinger's cat. Wow. That's hype. What's the reason for this room? The real reason for that room was a fucking ammo pack that I just used to slaughter that dog. Bitch. Bitch. Aim, Jacob. Bang, bang. There we go. I think that's it for this area. Oh, you can go up here. And get the fucking pack! 90%. Yeah, taken out. Oh, gun down. Really? You can't even kill these things? If it can't kill these things, then it can't kill me. So, let me just show you. I mean, I gotta show you the whole game. So, we passed up. That was like a shortcut. If I was doing a speedrun, I'd be very happy. Oh, it's not a shortcut, because you gotta open it up from here. Well, I thought it was a shortcut, because... Yeah, but... Wait, what? I'm fucking turned around. Wait, and where does this come from? Can I get in? Okay, it doesn't matter. So this area over here. Wait, I have no fucking idea. Well, I guess I'll show you this area. I can always cut. I can always cut and post, so you don't gotta see me walking around everywhere. But you know, this is like a nice little. What is this? It's like a pharmacy or something. This one gave me snacks. It's like a pharmacy. I do that. I do that. I pick up like that. Yeah, so this is a cool area. Looks like a loading dock, I guess, because of that thing. Yeah, this guy needs to help us, but oh, he's got a lot of health, and my bullets stay in the fence. I wasn't actually shooting it. Yeah, there's some stuff down there. I got some supplies in the back. Yeah, fucking shoddy. That's not just some supplies, that's some heavy fucking weaponry. Can I was going to kill him, but I can't do that to my boy. Got some downtime, feeling down, like it's all up to you. I don't remember this. Where are they going? They weren't even focused on me. A little bit of ammo. I should just be exclusively a blue screen. That's what we like to see. A little bit of ammo and a blue screen. So that's that whole area? I guess you didn't need to go there. But now this door is open. And we can just go quickly through this place. And the turret's still there. But if you press this, no fucking press it. If you press it quickly enough, you can go under it, turn it off, go up, and get some health. That might be the only thing up here. This health. I don't think you can go in here. Yeah, so I think that was just health. It's kind of lame. Kind of lame, not gonna lie. I don't care about health. I care about guns. I want offense. He knows what I'm talking about. He heard some screams up ahead. Are you gonna follow me? Partner, I know these streets are a little rough, but you and me, we'll clean them up. You know, I've been in this game for a while. It's a tough world out there. Shit, that sounded dumb. But you know, I don't care. Toots, I'm a detective from New York. That's the victim, Jeff Goldblum, with a nice tie. It's hard, tough, gritty, wet, damp, moist. All these things. You gotta murder a lot of people in this business. Gun them down for justice. Always remember that. What are we doing in this part of town on this night? You've always had my back. You've always had my front. The G-Man. Will we ever find him? Will we ever know why we got into this mess? The plans. What about the plans? I don't even know. I'm not gonna try to make a joke on that. Act like I'm comedically talented in ways that I'm not. Couldn't be me. Let me insert jokes that I find online right here. Boop, bop, beep. That's some. You guys like those? I hope I did myself justice. Wow, that wasn't enough to kill. Wow, these guys are a little beefy. There's so much ammo about that. Hey dudes. Okay. I will. Yes, we are. Okay. Oh, are you serious? He was talking baloney. Oh my god. That better not affect me negatively later on in the mission. So I don't even remember where to go. Did I get past this? Did I get past this? I don't even remember. Is this where I go? Oh my goodness. I'm fumbling around. I can't remember. Oh, here I go. Oh, dang. It'd be really nice to have a second hand to help with these kills. I literally can't even remember if I got past this. Soldiers have arrived. They're coming to rescue us. Okay, this is the bad ending. I'm sorry. I can't listen to these guys again. He had his doubts, and now he has nothing. This is the evil run through. Fucking shit. Can I kill that thing, please? Oh my god. The good ending. Gordon dies. Oh, should I use a grenade on it? I did not throw that grenade well enough. I'm just going for it. He can't get me. He can't get me. Shit. Oh, you aren't supposed to shoot it. You're supposed to let it kill those little thingies. Get a little bit closer. Are you serious? There we go. You can destroy it. I destroyed it in the first run. I think I used the shotgun, I don't know. But that didn't kill it. Gotta be a little careful with this amount of health. That thing could have fucked me up. That thing could have killed me. Straight up. Straight up. Thank you for this juice. I literally can't remember if I've been this far or not. I think I have. Just fucking Hail Marying down there. I'm so bad at aiming. I need to play a little bit more Valorant. Oh, there's an explosive barrel. I should have utilized that earlier. And the shotgun, like, woo. If I had a shotgun like that, I should just use the shotgun. Why not? Oh. No, just follow me, bro. Okay, yes, 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 he's following me. I have another hand. A real friend. Babe. Okay, I definitely didn't get this far. This is new content, baby! It's new content. It's like, oh my goodness. They're everywhere. It's like, oh my god. Oh my god. I died. I was trying to think of the reference, and I fucking died. It's like Rainbow Six Vegas 2. Or what's another good one? Fucking shit. These little guys are vicious. What's that other... Not Army of Two. He's gonna jump. I thought I saw it moving, and I did see it moving. He got me. He got me. How did he get me? Rainbow Six Vegas 2. There's another game that's like... I don't even know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping. Wow, the food hall. Dang, it's just like Game of Thrones. They say food imagery says a lot about what the story is trying to tell us. What do you think this is trying to tell us? Ice cold hamburger. There you go. Bada bang. Bada boo. I want that health. Ooh, I'm scared. Scared that they're still going to be moving. Oh, give me more shotgun shells. Just what I needed. How long is this chapter going to be? I don't even know what I gotta do. I really got nothing important. I'd just go on Reddit, probably, if I stop playing this. Whoa, you scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. What are you... Oh. This is all you were running from? I just went through the food court. You've been in here the whole time? Nice pencil. I'd tab. Yeah, I'm using the shotgun for everything. I have unlimited ammo, practically. Yeah, not today, buckaroo. I don't care if it's a waste. That definitely looks like you can go through that. Golly. Look at me being... Look at me stacking boxes. Doing what I said I wouldn't do. Ah, it fucking pranked us. Oh, but can you stack another box? Can you... Ooh, I bet you can! Maybe. Maybe not, actually. The box stacking fantasy is elusive. Oh, you can do that! I just skipped the entire fucking game, baby. Whoa, and that thing. I skipped that thing, maybe? I don't know. This is all part of it, though. This is the narrative we're making. Is that the... What is this? What is this? Oh, that was the guy. That was the dude. I'm guessing I have to take this somewhere. Over there? It's hard to tell. Maybe over there. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it with me. In here. Yeah, so that was just a way to get back. They didn't want me to go through there. What's this? Oh, that's the... Oh, it's the original entrance. But there's goodies up here. Stealth kill. Oh my goodness. We're balling out. Bye, lady. She kind of looks like Angela from The Office. I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing, but it's a thing. Weak. Holy shit. If I just killed him? Oh, he's just fucking dead. There's no... I have no fear! Fear is dead. God is dead. I am free. Yeah, like, why would I submit to... Oh, that was the place I needed to go. Up there are secrets. How do I get up there? You gotta boost hop off of the thing that was trying to kill us. Most definitely. Or maybe this will raise the water level. What? It moves the beef? Oh, it moves the beef. I see. I see. I see wiener. Now we gotta go all the way back, though. You know, puzzles like these, they're just too easy. I'm a public health major. I'm literally experiencing a public health crisis in this game. Who wouldn't be better than me to handle this? You go through this. I didn't need to go through here. I could have just went around. You know what? Public health is all about learning. Is it? I don't know. I don't even know what public health is, to be honest. Well, I do, but I don't want to accept it. I'm a contrarian. You know, it's in my nature. Oh, there's an ambulance outside of my dorm. I didn't even notice. I don't know what's going on. Maybe a rogue peanut allergy. Out of control. Fucking shit. Yeah. I wasn't ready for it. I'm gonna play Dead Space next. Maybe. Or maybe I'll play Crypt of the Necrodancer. One of those two. Or maybe I'll play something else, you know? Yo, conservation of ammo is way overrated. And I want these things dead. Never coming back. Never even thinking about coming back. Bro, 2 of them? That was a low blow. That didn't need to happen. The game didn't need to do that to us. But they did, you know? Or maybe you're done, though. I don't... bro, I need some entertainment, please. Maybe I talk in this voice for now on. Freeman. Good You killed him, you fucker! You killed him! Oh, wow, you just tanked that. That means that's Superman. He's got the mustache, too. Does he have the mustache? Yeah, fucking, wow. That's a real man. We can climb. Is he coming with? Am I coming with? Did I just pop out that vent? Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, there's the food court. We've come full circle. Oh. More shotgun ammo. Fucking shit. Wow. You guys are just gonna sit on the couch? That's what you're doing for the rest of... Dang, good luck. You two have been my favorite characters. Nice tie, too. And cock. Bro. We're going on a trip. Up the ladder, sucking my dick. Dude, I'd give you a hand, but... I don't have a hand to give. What song was I singing? I feel like this is the correct way to go, and this is the secret way to go. Once I go in there, though, I can knock it out. So I'm gonna check this out first. This looks like you can go back up this ladder if you go down it. Oh, I see. So it just takes me back down here? What was the point of this? Maybe I'll need to do this trip again. It just makes it easier. Oh, do I have to do it again with, I don't even know. Maybe I'm coming back for those guys. Probably not, but who knows? Oh, loading screen. Loading screen. Oh, loading screen. That's the episode, guys. Thank you for sitting with me on my shady bench. I've had a great time exploring, escaping, shooting things with my shotgun and pistol and crowbar. We all got those in this video. And I'm liking the game. I'm loving the atmosphere. This is a sneak peek in the next episode, but I won't give you too much of that. Okay, you guys have a good one. Ciao, ciao. The Shady Bench.